lockdown period, the woods have gone from bare trees to a lush green wonderland. The ferns have now grown taller than me. Wildflowers are growing everywhere. The view from the clearing is pretty spectacular. Recently, woodland fires destroyed this part of the mountain, but now signs of new life are springing up everywhere. In March, this area was burnt wasteland, but look at it now. The woodland is full of wildlife. We have seen and heard buzzards, red kites, woodpeckers, cuckoos, rabbits, squirrels, and so much more.